What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about changing up your meal plan. So as you all know, I am being guided by a coach through this process, and what we started to see is that the scale was creeping up and my waist in my jeans and things were starting to get snug. So what I suggested to her was, we talked about OPTAVIA, and we talked about how eating those small meals frequently throughout the day, for me it was every 2 hours, really seemed to help, especially keeping the hunger at bay, keeping the metabolism going. You know, people say that that's not true, but I do believe that it is for some people. We're all different. For me, I know if I eat every couple of hours small meals, that's how I do best. So with that information, she looked at my macros and she tweaked everything up, put me in a little bit of a caloric deficit, and off I went. So that started last Saturday. So today I was shocked when I got on the scale. I was down over 5 pounds this week. Now, keep in mind, I'm not looking to lose muscle because I've worked so hard to gain the muscle. I'm not looking to get skinny, guys. I'm looking to get strong. I want to grow and build. But the snugness in the waist was something that has been bothering me. So long story made short, we cut out a couple things also. We cut out peanut butter. That was, I was having 2 tablespoons a day with my protein shake, and we cut that out. We also cut out the protein shake. Now, why would we do that? I was having 2 protein shakes a day, one as a snack in the middle of the day, and the other was a post-workout right after I came home from the gym. What we started to discover was that the protein that I was using is very clean and very good, but it's still processed, and it's whey and casein mixed, and it just might not be beneficial for me at this point right now. It's better for the whole foods to keep me going. So that has been removed. Also, I'm not having any dairy. There is no cheese, there is none of that. So pretty much in a nutshell, this week has been primarily salmon, tilapia, chicken, egg whites, loads of vegetables. We have asparagus and spinach, avocado. I have 2 avocados every day, but they're small. So basically like 2 would equal like 1 that you would probably find in the grocery store. When I go to Trader Joe's, they have the mini avocados in a bag. So it's like a mind play. Like when you cut one of those little baby avocados in half and you get to eat both of them, it's like tricks you into thinking you're having 1 avocado. We took ground beef and red meat and things like that out of my diet. So right now it's really lean, and lo and behold, eating every 2 to 3 hours once again, boom, the weight just drops off, and I noticed a huge increase in strength in the gym, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? But guys, it's all part of science, and it really does make a difference, calories in versus calories out. Started doing fasting cardio instead of having it after a meal, doing it after a meal, you know, and again, it really seems like it makes no difference whether you have a little bit of a meal first or not, but seems to be working for me, so I'm going to continue with that. And we pulled my cardio back a little bit. We were doing 45 minutes of cardio. Hello, my little Paisley. And now we're doing 30 minutes. So I really don't know. I mean, I think that I had a lot of inflammation going on because I do train 6 days a week, and then on the 7th day, that's when we do hiking, biking, you know, things like that. I have an active day off. But now I've stepped it up a little bit in the gym. I'm doing heavier workouts, so my calorie expenditure during the workout is a lot higher, and my cardio now, instead of doing treadmill and things like that, I'm doing the elliptical, and the elliptical, I can jack it way up. I'm at level 14, 15 now, which is 700 calories in an hour. So divide that by half, you're at 350. So yeah, so my calorie, hold on Paisley, sorry guys. My calorie expenditure deficit for the day, hold on, let me just let her out. Sorry guys. So back to what I was saying before Paisley was so rudely interrupting us, is that my calorie expenditure for the day is over 1,000 calories, and then my regular BMR is somewhere like at 1,600, I believe. So I have like a 2,600 calorie deficit, okay? My meal plan now is about close to 1,300. So there's your weight loss. It's literally math. And you know, looking back on OPTAVIA and things like that, like when we lose weight on these plans, I'm really starting to see it's literally, guys, a science. It's calories in versus calories out. That's it. And you have to know your body. With OPTAVIA, the calories are fairly low. You do get to add in your healthy oils and fats, and you do eat lean, so I'm kind of in that play. I am not having dairy, no cheese, none of that. No coffee, and that's fine because I haven't had it in so long. Literally drinking a gallon of water every day, and ba-boom! Coach Susie really, let me come closer, she really figured out something. Do not do what I do or what I did. I have totally seen the light, okay? So we were talking and she was asking me if I take a multivitamin. And I said no. And she's like, what? You're a nurse? Oh my God. Yeah, I don't take a multivitamin. But looking back on OPTAVIA, once again, their foods are covered with vitamins and minerals, and you get 100% of the recommended daily allowance. I was missing that when I transitioned off of OPTAVIA. So I went and bought myself, get this, Centrum Silver for those 50 and older. So I will get the minerals and vitamins that I need. I'm also taking extra supplements. I'm taking a B6 to help with some of the water retention that I have. I'm taking B12. I'm taking extra vitamin C because I don't want to get sick. I still continue to take my probiotic. I still continue to take my BCAAs during my workout. And what else do I take? Oh, my collagen. That, guys, you have to do this. You have to take collagen. 2 tablets or 2 capsules I take every day. I buy it at the vitamin shop. You can buy it on Amazon. It has made my skin, look at my skin. This is not like retouch. This is not a filter. This is like me with my iPhone recording in front of my window in my living room. And my skin is flawless. I don't have anything. I don't even have those lines. I mean, I have them, but they're not like pronounced. So noticing a huge difference in my skin, and you know, my nails are just always growing like crazy. They just seem a little bit harder now. These are my nails. I just have a little bit of acrylic over the top of them so that they don't break. But they are just like, I had my nails done the other night, and the guy that does my nails was like, holy moly, Lori, your nails are like rocks. I'm like, thanks to collagen. I know that the Centrum Silver, I believe it also has biotin in it. So I don't know, I'm just feeling really good with these changes. So I just wanted to let you know about them. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing. So we're aiming for a 2 to 3 pound weight loss this week also. Trying to lean out a little bit while continuing to build the muscle. Gonna keep my workouts strong, gonna keep them heavy, and hopefully in 10 months, I will be on that stage. We'll see what happens, but I am not quitting. I am not giving up. I am going for this. This is gonna happen. So that's my little update. I hope you have a wonderful day. It's Saturday here in Jersey. Beautiful. I'm on my way out to the farmer's market. Gonna pick up some avocado that they have, and some spinach, and some fresh eggs, and I think that's about it. Then I have to go to Ulta because my hair blower broke. Do you believe it? That sucks. If you blow dry your hair, and I don't use a brush, I just hold it, dry it, and then I use a curler. But man, when your hair blower breaks and you are like dependent upon that stupid thing, it's like woo. So anyway, I gotta go to Ulta and buy a hair blower, and then we're gonna take the girls for a little hike and then hit the gym. Today's leg day. I love legs. All right, guys, I think that's about it. If you have any questions or you want to see a video on something more specific, let me know and I'll be happy to provide. I'll talk to you soon. Stay focused. Live your life. You can do this. So can I. We're doing it together, right? Okay. Stay focused. Bye, guys.